How to turn off business account on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, all you have to do is simply switch back to your personal account. To do so, open up your Instagram application. Once you open it up, all you have to do is simply log in to your Instagram account. And once you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your profile section, all you have to do is simply tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and once you're inside settings and activities, scroll below. Then under for professional, go ahead and tap on business tools and controls. Just like so, inside here, scroll below, then tap on switch account type, and then tap on switch to personal account, and then tap on switch to personal account again. And just like so, you will then be able to turn off business account on Instagram. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.